Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making some fluffy sugar cookies. These are a little bit on the Loft House kind of a side, but they're actually not a Loft House recipe because I've adapted it to be kind of my own thing. So it's not a Loft House recipe, but it is kind of, so that's why I call it the fluffy sugar cookie. So let's get started.
Starting off with our ingredients, we need half a cup or 125 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 egg, 2 cups or 250 grams of powdered sugar, half a cup or 120 milliliters of sour cream, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, a 1/4 cup or 30 grams of cornstarch, 2 3/4 cup or 350 grams of flour. Begin by creaming the butter. Now, I didn't notice that the cord of the mixture turned the tripod of the camera until much later, so sorry about that. Add the oil and cream together with the butter. Add egg, add sour cream, add powdered sugar, add vanilla, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and cornstarch. And finally, stir in the flour. The dough will be quite sticky. Prepare a bowl with some sugar and a cup or a jar with a flat bottom. Spoon the dough onto a lined baking sheet. Press the cup or jar in the sugar and use it to press down the cookies. Do it again to add a bit more sugar onto the cookie. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 minutes, or until the cookies are no longer shiny. These cookies are crisp on the outside with the sugar crust and soft and fluffy on the inside. These cookies are delicious with frosting. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.